Hello, today I'm in Maserati Quattroporte and I'm going to show you how to adjust side mirrors. So, to adjust side mirrors you have to use these buttons, and to adjust left mirror you have to press this button and then use this joystick. And as you can see, if I press on this joystick the mirror is turning, and to use the same for the right mirror, click the R button, and as you can see this mirror is now moving. And if you press the middle button on this panel, the mirrors will hide. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.